Welcome my friends, and in this video what I'm going to be going through is how you can move your Google domain to a new platform if that's what you want to do. So you probably have received your emails if you have any domain in Google that is saying that it's moving to Squarespace. So if you're leveraging Clickfunnels, one of the platforms that I love to put my domains is CloudFlare because it gives me a lot of capability. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can move your domain out of Google Domains directly into Cloudflare. So here I have one of my domains and it's giving you the information that is moving. So then what do? There's a bunch of records in here, and one of the most painful things to move on a domain is that you had to recreate all those records. But one of the things that I love about Cloudflare is that they can import all that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna create an account on Cloudflare for this site. So when I go into Cloudflare, you can figure out how to create your account. You can click on Add Site. What this will do is that it will ask you for a domain, and this is the magic. Right now, it's gonna go and it's gonna pull all the records, and in here it give you the price. But we scroll down and we click here, free. For what we need, we don't need anything else. Click continue, and it's gonna now read all the records and try to import them directly so you don't have to do any additional work when you move your domain. Okay, so it read the reports. As you can see, there are some A records and some other records from the zone. So you can see them in here. And this will change with ClickFunnels. All that we need is a www. And one thing is that we don't want to proxy this record. So what I'm going to do is that I remove the proxy. Okay. And now I click continue. And I'm going to tell me I had to remove these servers and add the ones that is given for my account. So I'm going to click the first one. I'm going to go back to my tab. And where do I put that information? You see right here on the top where it says custom name servers. You click there, paste the first one, copy the second one, and now you click save. So what is it doing? Now it's gonna move that information to Cloudflare, and I'm gonna click done. And there's three things that I need to do. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna make sure that the rewrites for anything on domain are on HTTPS. I'm gonna click save. It's gonna ask me always HTTPS, and this will help me so when I put just a root domain or anything else, click yes. And then I want to enable the Brutally algorithm so it can compress the data. I'm gonna click save. And I'm gonna click finish. Now, I just have to wait. This may take 5 minutes, it may take an hour, but because you already did all the changes, after I do this step, I normally click here. I'm telling them, go back and check that I already did all the work. And what you're gonna receive is an email that actually has, welcome to Cloudflare. Your domain is now hosted on Cloudflare. So my friends, hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.